2 days ago from our camping trip. Haven't filmed much because we're pretty novice at this and we always forget to film stuff, but we will get better. Came home to this lovely parcel here. So I've done a lot of research. It's a new swag we've got, and I've done a lot of research on what brand to get and all that kind of jazz. And I've chose this particular brand just because of the reviews. It's Australian made. You know, you sort of pay for what you get for. It's on the sort of higher end of a swag. It's just built well, quality's well, and had to wait about 2 months for it to get it because it was on back order. That's how popular they are. The reason why we got a swag is because we do usually camp in an Oz tent, which we're very happy about and we still will be. We just find if we're plonked in one place for a while, I think we'll use the Oz tent. But if we're just going on a weekend trip away, I think the swag is just the way to go. It's just quick and easy, and we'll just use that. So we'll unbox it and show you guys what it is. Right, so we just unrolled it. So the brand we got is Crashpad. It's a very reputable Australian brand. All the reviews on them are A+. A couple of people we follow on YouTube and Instagram rate them highly, so that's why I went with them. We just wanted good quality stuff. I'm like that. I always like to pay a bit more and get good quality stuff. So the colour we got isn't this one. That's there's 3 different colours. We got a double one, by the way, double swag. We got the outback colour. You can get this one, which is a forest colour. Oh, sorry, a desert colour, or a forest colour, which is like a greeny colour. We chose this one just so the dirt doesn't see so easy on the stains and so quickly. So we'll unroll it, set it up, and we're going to season it. So let's get into that. Yes, never done this before, so it might take a while. So we got it up. First time ever doing a swag up. I know it's super easy once you get the hang of it, but we struggled a bit. Anyway, we're amateurs. It's up. It's really big for a double. Have a look here. We'll unzip it. So what I like about it, it's got both windows, both sides. It's huge. You got a window each end and both access points each side. It's huge. You got easy fit 2 people in there. Comes with a 50 or 75mm mattress, I can't remember, which fits in there perfectly. So yeah, super happy with it. I think we're gonna have some good sleeps in here. Should be good. I'm gonna zip it up and we're gonna season it now, which means just wetting it, letting it dry so all the seams sort of swell up, so no water will get in there. And you can just tell by the quality of this, it's just really good quality canvas. It's not cheap stuff. It's well made, so very happy with it. We'll season it now. Right, well that's done. Seasoned the first time. Doesn't feel right getting straight out of the package and wetting it, but that's what you got to do, it says. So let that dry and then we'll repeat the process again. Let it dry, then we can pack it up. We're just going to lay the mattress out for about 24 hours as well, unroll that so it comes to a natural form, and then we're good to go. So we can't wait to get away in this beauty, just for a weekend away and check it, have a crack at it. Easy setup, even a kook like me can do it. So if you haven't got onto them, check them out, crashpad.com.au. Really great stuff. There's not only just swags, they do single swags and stretchers and sleeping bags and things like that as well. So check out the website. Highly recommend them. Have a crack.